Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Get ready to dive into the thrilling world of cybersecurity, where we'll be cracking passwords, exposing vulnerabilities, and learning the secrets of the pros. We're talking about serious stuff here, the kind of stuff that keeps CEOs and governments up at night. But don't worry, we'll keep it fun, engaging, and easy to understand. Think awesome visuals, a killer soundtrack, and of course, my signature brand of tech humor. Over the next few chapters, we'll unlock the power of Kali Linux, the ultimate hacker's toolkit. We'll explore its arsenal of tools, learn how to use them responsibly, and discover how you can become a guardian of the digital realm. Oh, and one more thing. Smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and make the internet a safer place, one hack at a time. All right, let's get down to business. Cybersecurity is like the digital immune system of our hyper-connected world. Your personal info, bank accounts, even your smart fridge, it's all out there. And there are bad actors who want to exploit any weaknesses. That's where ethical hackers come in. These digital guardians look for vulnerabilities before the bad guys can exploit them. It's about having a curious mind, a passion for problem solving, and a strong moral compass. Because with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical hackers use their skills for good, helping companies and organizations. They're the unsung heroes of the internet, working tirelessly to keep our data safe. Now, let's talk tools. Kali Linux is the ultimate weapon in your arsenal. Imagine a Swiss Army knife packed with powerful software to test and exploit vulnerabilities. From password crackers to network sniffers, it's all pre-installed. Don't let the command line intimidate you. We'll guide you step by step. Essential tools like Nmap for network scanning, Wireshark for analyzing network traffic, and Metasploit for penetration testing. These are the tools real-world professionals use. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. We'll emphasize ethical hacking practices throughout this series. Stay tuned as we unlock the full potential of Kali Linux. Let's talk passwords, people. They're the first line of defense in the digital world, but also one of the weakest links. We've all been there, using the same password for multiple accounts, choosing easy-to-guess combinations, or leaving our passwords written down on sticky notes. Bad idea, guys. Bad idea. In this chapter, we're diving deep into the world of password cracking. We'll explore different techniques like brute forcing, dictionary attacks, and rainbow tables. Don't worry, we'll break it down so you understand exactly how these attacks work, and, more importantly, how to protect yourself against them. We'll be using tools like John the Ripper and Hashcat, industry-standard password cracking software that can test millions of combinations per second. It's actually pretty terrifying to see how quickly these tools can crack weak passwords. But remember, knowledge is power. By understanding how passwords are cracked, you can create stronger, more secure passwords for your own accounts. So stay tuned, and let's make those passwords uncrackable. Chapter 4. Tools of the Trade. Welcome back, hackers in training. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of website vulnerabilities. Think of websites like digital fortresses, each with its own walls, gates, and secret passages. Our mission? To find those weaknesses and exploit them before the bad guys do. Don't worry, we're not talking about crashing websites or stealing data. Ethical hacking is all about responsible disclosure, reporting vulnerabilities to website owners so they can fix them and improve their security. We'll be exploring common vulnerabilities like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, or XSS, and file inclusion vulnerabilities. Sounds complicated? Don't sweat it. We'll break down each vulnerability step by step, using real-world examples and hands-on demonstrations. You'll learn how to use tools like Burp Suite and OWASP Zap to scan websites, identify vulnerabilities, and even exploit them in a safe environment. It's like having X-ray vision for the web. So, grab your laptops, fire up Kali Linux, and let's get hacking. Chapter 5. Weakest link or strongest asset. The human element in cybersecurity is crucial, Strong passwords and secure websites mean nothing if someone falls for a phishing scam. Humans can be the weakest link or the strongest asset. We'll explore social engineering tactics and how to counter them. Learn about phishing, baiting, and other techniques, and discover strategies to strengthen the human element. From security awareness to strong password policies, become a human firewall, protecting your organization. Cybersecurity is a team effort, starting with us all. Chapter 6: Real-World Scenarios. Buckle up, everyone, because in this chapter, we're diving headfirst into the trenches of real-world cybersecurity breaches. We'll dissect some of the most infamous hacks in history, analyzing what went wrong, how the attackers got in, and what could have been done to prevent it. From the Sony Pictures hack to the Equifax data breach, we'll uncover the tactics, techniques, and procedures, or TTPs, used by real-world attackers. It's like a digital CSI episode, but with more code and fewer one-liners. But don't worry, this isn't just about scaring you with tales of cyber doom. By studying past breaches, we can learn valuable lessons and identify patterns that will help us strengthen our own defenses. We'll discuss the importance of incident response plans, the role of forensics in cybersecurity investigations, and the ongoing battle between attackers and defenders. So, grab your detective hats, put on your thinking caps, and let's dive into the fascinating and sometimes terrifying world of real-world cybersecurity breaches. Chapter 7: Opportunities for Ethical Hackers. So, you've mastered the tools, honed your skills, and developed a passion for cybersecurity. What's next? Well, the good news is that the demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals has never been higher. In this chapter, we're exploring the exciting career opportunities available to ethical hackers. From penetration testers and security analysts to security engineers and incident responders, the possibilities are endless. We'll discuss the different roles within the cybersecurity industry, the skills and certifications that employers are looking for, and the average salaries you can expect to earn. We'll also talk about the importance of networking, building your professional brand, and staying up to date with the latest trends in the cybersecurity job market. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional looking to transition into cybersecurity or a recent graduate just starting your career, this chapter will provide valuable insights and guidance to help you land your dream job in the exciting world of cybersecurity. Chapter 8: Staying Ahead of the Curve. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge every day, and attackers are always finding new and creative ways to exploit vulnerabilities. That's why it's crucial for cybersecurity professionals to stay ahead of the curve, constantly learning and adapting to the ever-changing threat landscape. In this chapter, we'll discuss strategies for staying up to date with the latest cybersecurity trends, tools, and techniques. We'll explore resources like industry blogs, security conferences, and online training platforms. We'll also talk about the importance of hands-on experience, whether it's through Capture the Flag, CTF competitions, bug bounty programs, or personal projects. Remember, the learning never stops in cybersecurity. By continuously expanding your knowledge and skills, you'll be well equipped to face the challenges of tomorrow and protect yourself and your organization from the ever-evolving threat of cyber attacks. Chapter 9: Become a Cybersecurity Champion. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our cybersecurity journey. We've covered a lot of ground together, from the basics of ethical hacking to the complexities of real-world breaches. But this is just the beginning. The world needs passionate individuals like you to step up and become cybersecurity champions. Remember, cybersecurity is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about protecting our privacy, our data, and our way of life. It's about making the digital world a safer place for everyone. So, go out there and make a difference. Share your knowledge, mentor others, and advocate for stronger cybersecurity practices. Become a voice for change, a champion for security, and a guardian of the digital realm. The future of cybersecurity is in your hands. Outro. Until next time, stay secure. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the fascinating and sometimes overwhelming world of cybersecurity, and I hope you're feeling as pumped about it as I am. Remember that knowledge is power, and by understanding the tools and techniques used by both ethical hackers and malicious actors, you can better protect yourself and your digital life. But hey, this isn't the end. It's just the beginning. Don't be a stranger. Hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and stay tuned for more awesome content. Until then, stay curious, stay safe, and keep on hacking. Ethically, of course.